Alright, so previously we were able to successfully connect our site with Google Search Console, and now next would be to write a home page snippet or otherwise a meta description for our home page. Now just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, here we have Gold's Gym, and you can see right now that we do have the main title Gold's Gym, Home Fitness Gym, but then you can see we also have the meta description that says Gold's Gym is where you go to know your own strength, join a gym today, and be stronger with workout plans, classes, fitness tips, fitness webinars, and more. So you can tell from this snippet or this meta description that it has lots of the keywords that you would normally associate with a gym. First of all, we have strength, we have gym, we have workout plans, classes, fitness tips, fitness webinars. So what you really want to do with your own meta description and your title is to ensure that you have your keywords in both of them, but also make sure that the meta description actually makes sense. Don't just go in there and begin to stuff in all your keywords in there. It has to make perfect sense. So to do this with the Yoast SEO, what you want to do is to go to your features tab in your dashboard. And then from here, you want to click on enabled under the advanced settings pages, enabled, and then we can save our changes. And now let's go to the titles and metas. You're going to see that. Click over there. And from here, you want to click on home page. All right, so you should see something like this. We have our title template with the default layout, and then we have an empty meta description template. So what I'm going to do right now is I already have some content right here. Let me just paste that in here. All right, so I have SEO Taskopedia, which is the name of my site, and then I have WordPress SEO tutorials. Now, obviously, my keywords here are WordPress and SEO. So I have both of them in my title template. And then for the meta description, I've also written down something over here. I'm going to paste that into the box. So it says SEO Taskopedia is a website dedicated to teaching everyone about WordPress SEO. Learn SEO tips and tricks. So again, I have my WordPress and I have my SEO inside the meta description, but it also makes perfect sense. Okay, you don't see WordPress SEO, WordPress SEO, SEO. That's not that's not the meta description. Okay, your meta description has to make sense, and also make sure that your title is between 45 and 55 characters, and then for your meta description, it is between 145 and 155 characters. So I'm going to go ahead now and save this. Now, here's the thing, okay? You don't want to go over the 155 words for the meta description or the 55 characters for the title. It is better to be under than go over these maximums. And one very quick way how you can tell whether or not you've typed in enough or you've typed in more than enough characters is to go to any one of your pages. In fact, let's add a new page right here. And then I am going to just copy the title from here. All right. Oh, my right click is not working. Okay, it's working now. Copy. And now what you want to do is on every new page that you add, you will see the Yoast SEO box over here. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do right now is to click on edit snippet in here. All right. And then I am going to paste that for the SEO title. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing for the meta description as well. Right click, copy. Let's go back in here. And then I am going to paste that. All right, so from here right now, you can see we have orange. What this simply means is that we haven't written enough. Okay, we can write some more words as well. And it's always a good idea to take advantage. Okay, so type in more words. So for the meta description, I can come in here right now and say, learn SEO tips and tricks. I can add a comma and then say WordPress SEO tutorials. All right, so now you can see it's turned green. That means that we are fine. Okay, we can stop right here, but you can see I still have some more space, so I can actually go ahead and keep on adding some more words if I wanted to, but that's okay. For the SEO title, Let's see what I have over here. I have SEO Tascopedia WordPress SEO tutorials. I'm just going to say WordPress SEO tutorials and courses. All right. So you can see right now we do have SEO Tascopedia, WordPress SEO tutorials and courses. And then we have the meta description. SEO Tascopedia is a website dedicated to teaching everyone about WordPress SEO. Learn SEO tips and tricks, WordPress SEO tutorials, and much more. Let me just say, and much more. Full stop. All right. So there you go. Both are green, which means we are fine. And from here right now, I can just simply copy what I have over here. And just copy that, go back to my metas and paste that in here. Okay, and then for the title, it was and courses. All right, I'm just going to come in here and say and courses. So that's it. I'm going to save my changes. And there you go. So we've successfully written our homepage snippet. Bear in mind, though, that this is something that you would have to do for every page that you have on your website, and also every post, especially posts. Posts are very, very important, and it is more than likely that people will be searching for content that is contained in your posts rather than what you have in your pages. So that's how to write your homepage snippet using the Yoast SEO plugin. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next class.